Do you feel that? It's time to wake up.
4:30 in the morning.
It'll be worth it.
Ooh, man.
Is any of this real? Is this what you wanted? Was it all worth it? But what happens when the wind picks up and the rains begin? Your feet fall apart and the pine forest doesn't end. What happens when thunder and lightning send you running? Is this the life you dreamt?
No, it wasn't. But I am a fool.
The wind brings magic. The rain brings life. And it all brings you together. What happens to a dream pursued? What happens to the people who pursue it? Do they catch it?
Got it.
Do they make it real?
15-hour day, 27 miles, 4 mountain passes.
Or do they find each other and realize this was the dream all along? But dreams come to an end. You wake up and the memories fade. What then?